Hi Kickstarter, I'm Richard.
And I'm Patrick.
And our project is the Interactive Development Kit. IDK is a simple, easy-to-use kit that allows software developers and creative thinkers to utilize a wide range of sensors and controllers so they can create a complete interactive user experience. We wanted the system to be easy to use for people with absolutely no electronics experience, but also powerful enough for the advanced user. The way we accomplish this is with our custom interactive controller, a sort of central hub for various sensors to connect to, very similar in a lot of ways to a USB hub. The sensor modules are designed to be plug and play. You just plug them in and they become instantly identifiable by their ID, and you can begin reading the data from them immediately. We chose to use a standard USB cable to connect to the hub. This gives you a common, inexpensive cable with enough connections for the communications protocol, and you can pick them up at your local store if you end up needing a shorter or longer cable. We've put a considerable amount of time into standardizing the sensor module language. Typically, sensors from different companies might use standard protocols such as I2C, SPI, or OneWire, but the instructional bytes they use or language is different for each sensor. For example, a temperature sensor from company X is going to have a completely different set of instructions to read the temperature than a similar temperature sensor from company Y. When you want to use a new sensor, you'll spend a considerable amount of time going through pages and pages of data sheets, learning how to talk to the new sensor to get it to do what you want. What we've done is created a simple, standard language to talk to all of the sensors. We provide libraries and example code for many of the popular programming languages. This makes it very easy for developers to implement. When using the sensor module with our IDK hub, it simplifies the process even further by reading all of the connected sensors automatically and formatting the data into a simple, efficient data packet, which can easily be utilized by the developer in several different ways, such as USB on Windows, OS X, Linux, even Raspberry Pi. You can use Serial, SPI for Arduino, PIC, or any other microcontroller. We're planning on launching initially with around 12 sensors and controllers. If funding is successful, we'll plan on offering many more. We'll also be open sourcing the standard language so others can add their own sensors and controllers to the IDK platform. One of the things we're really excited about offering is a library for complete integration into the Unity game engine. With no electronics experience and just a few lines of code, you can start adding all kinds of new interaction between the real world and your Unity project in no time. Control lighting in the real world from controls in the game, affect lighting in the game with lighting or other input from the real world, have events in the game, move objects in the real world. When a player solves a puzzle or completes a level, you could have it unlock a treasure chest or open a door in real life. Put sensors on plants, give them an animated personality, have them tell you they're thirsty or not getting enough sunlight, or maybe they're just letting you know they're doing well. Share it with your friends on your favorite social network. Create a fitness game with real-time physical performance feedback. Create new forms of artistic interaction with lights, sound, music, motion, and visual effects. Stretch the imagination with new interactive ways to develop gameplay. We've got a working prototype for the hardware, some initial case designs that we've prototyped on the 3D printer. Now we need your help to reach our funding goal so we can finalize development, get volume discount pricing, and get IDK professionally manufactured so we can get them in your hands so you can start creating your next interactive project.